This is where it got real. You see my face? Do you see my face? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That hurt. Hey guys, Jess here. So I'm deciding to get my day started. It is 6-ish or 7-ish. We will be doing my summer skincare routine, which happens to be very simple. As you can see, I do have acne, but it's nothing like what it used to be. I'm going to stick to my summer 2020 skincare routine, current routine. I think it'll be really fun for you guys, and this video might not be that long. So first, we're gonna go ahead and get completely freshened up. This is what you're looking at. That's all, with the exception of a spot treatment, which I barely had to do. So I wear makeup almost every day. So for the days that I do, I use makeup wipes. I've been using the ones from Shop and Say, but I ran out. I use makeup wipes first to get it off my face, or I use coconut oil or shea butter mixture to take it off my face. But I've been liking the makeup wipes better. And then I take and put this vitamin C facial serum, which I got from my local TJ Maxx, on my face. And I fill up about that much, and I put it two to three of these vials on my face before I go to bed. And I like to let it dry before that happens. But since we're starting our day, what I do at least once a month, I like to knock out these pores. We gotta do that. So I'm finna look a little funny for about 15 minutes. So this is Ruby Kisses Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I might just flip this screen around so you guys can see the wording. You guys will have to put my video up to a mirror. That part. Alright, so we're heading into a quick voiceover. I left this on for exactly 25 minutes, as you see my fingers. Yes. I have my makeup wipes handy. So I'm going to try to peel this off with my fingernails. Yes. When I started that and I started to get a little kickback with the snag, I said I'm just going to start at my chin. This is where it got real. You see my face? Do you see my face? Do you see it? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That hurt. Not nearly as much as when I first tried this charcoal peel-off face mask. That's when I really should have did a video so you guys see my very first impressions. When I tell you that thing snagged hot, oh, it did. It most absolutely did. So I'm just carefully peeling off, and as you can see, I've got my routine down using this mask because I've been using it quite often, and I've been using this since last year actually. So yeah, as you can see, if you couldn't tell, I'm almost all the way through this tube, which means I will need another one soon. And that's just me using my makeup wipes to clean up those spots that did not completely dry. You see I'm pulling off with no problem. I've gotten used to it. Yeah, you know, pretty much desensitized to the feeling. I mean, this isn't nearly as bad as those mix it yourself charcoal face masks. Ew, by the way. Tossed it right in the trash can in front of me. Now we'll just clean up those little spots. My skin was definitely softer. Not baby baby smooth. And I was over there looking at a pimple. I almost popped it and I said, no, you're making progress. You don't need any more scars. Cut it out, sis. All right, and we are here to the final results. Until next time.